Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Olemesh. If this is your first time, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. And yeah, apologies guys, I know I have been AWOL, but I'm back. I'm back. Thank you so much for sticking around. And yeah, so I'm from Runback Fruit and Vegetable Wholesaler. So I just want to show you guys what I got from there. Firstly, I got bananas. I got guavas. I got broccoli. I got cucumbers too. I'm gonna use them for juicing. I got lettuce, peppers, celery, carrots, onions, got lemons. I got peppers, rosemary, fresh rosemary. Got crushed garlic. I got fresh ginger, CC. I got I got turmeric. I got baby potatoes. I got corn. I got frozen blueberries, frozen pineapple, and lastly I got oranges. And all these things were 526 rand and 50 cent. I also went to the butchery and I topped up on my meat. I didn't buy a lot. I got bars. What is this? Lamb chops. Topped up on some stew. Bought drumstick. I bought ribs. Bought pork rushes. And that is all that I got. And this was 394 rand. Food is so expensive these days. So yeah, that's it. Hey guys, so today is Thursday. Yeah, today's Thursday, and I drove 1 hour to come do my hair in Katlehong. So there's this hair that I loved. I saw it on TikTok. This lady, yeah, she posted the picture, and I was like, I think this I would want it to be the first hairstyle that I do after I removed my Microlocs. So that's the salon. It's in Katlehong. Last time you guys saw me, I had Microlocs, and yes, I untied them. It took me 15 days. I did it myself like the first 13 days, and the last 2 days I got my helper and her friend to help me. And yeah, it was the longest 15 days of my life, and I had this Microlocs for like 15 months, so my hair was already locked. And yeah, but I'm happy. I enjoyed that era, and it has come to an end, unfortunately. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I think this length is fine. Looks.
Is the ring light?
It's fine. I think it can see. When we turn, that's when I'll use it this side. Thank you. Content is killing me.
Hey!
So your daughter she's both legs, right?
Huh?
You love photos, no?
My babe. Ooh, this stinks. She doesn't like pictures.
Really? My son, he has a bad
Like today we had a Mother's Day thing happening at crash. She didn't even smell. That's why I have this little kid. Yeah. She was like so serious. But she's not a morning person. You get what I'm saying? She's like me honest. She needs to like
just at least she can.
yeah, it's still early. It's like what do you mean I need to smile, please?
My son, knows that here now. Mom, can you take me?
Oh, that's nice.
Photo, please.
Carla was done, but they get killed.
Thank you. Thank you, Sissy.
Is it warm enough?
Yeah, it's fine. Thank you.
But my position is simple. My whole mutual alternative risk transfer insurance and licensed non-life insurance authorized existing premiums are for about the benefit.
No matter how you show your confidence, make sure you feel great in your skin.
So I'm going to be doing a green juice. I've been meaning to do it, but I haven't got a chance. Cucumber, celery, ginger, apple, pineapple, spinach. No. So I've got 5 juices now, my green juice and my vitamin C juice. So yeah, I'll have this then we'll go for 2 days, but I'm gonna fresh it for 3. Good morning guys, welcome to another day of this vlog. I'm actually closing the vlog. So this is the juice that I made yesterday. Like I said, this is vitamin C. What's in here is orange, lemon, pineapple, ginger, carrots and turmeric. You can take this thing as a shot actually. Yeah, if you have small bottles you can transfer it into those small bottles and take it every day as a shot. I'm taking it as a juice because I don't have those small bottles. And yeah, let's do a first taste together because yesterday I didn't get to drink it. And I'm sorry for the inconsistency of the sound. I forgot to wear my mic. It tastes good. One tip though, I wouldn't suggest that you do this juice, especially this one, after you just got your nails done, because the turmeric I used the root, the fresh one. The fresh one, it can color your nails. Let me see. Like this nail, I don't know if you are able to see. Let me go there. Yeah, it's a bit yellow, but I'm gonna wash it again. Yeah, but my other nails are fine. The juice tastes nice, strong, but it's good. The pineapple neutralizes the bitterness of the lemon and the strong taste of the ginger. I like it. So if you have watched this video till this far, if you enjoyed it, please like the video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.